In the last 2 decades, developments in the field of computerized technology and medicine have considerably improved the outlook for spinal injury accident victims. Technologies have been developed over past 2 decades to help individuals with a spinal injury or a severe disability achieve independent living or maximize their quality of life. People with a severe spinal injury that affects speech can now speak through the use of a voice synthesizer. Simple eye movements can be used for computer control of doors, windows, lights, heating and other household appliances. All in all, these technological developments mean that individuals with a spinal injury can lead a full and rewarding life. However, the technologies that offer loved ones with a spinal injury the ability to live with a degree of independence do not come cheaply. Fortunately, in the case of accidental spinal injury, nearly all cases will be covered by some form of insurance against which a compensation claim can be made. This compensation claim must cover the ongoing costs of care, equipment, adaptation of homes or provision of a living space suitable for a wheelchair and other equipment. Additionally, the spinal injury compensation award must be sufficient to cover expenses that will be incurred over the full natural life of the person with the spinal injury. It is important to understand that once a settlement has been made, a spinal injury compensation case cannot return to the courts to seek additional funds at a later date. Finding the right solicitors to pursue your spinal injury compensation case. There are many arrangements must be made before your loved one can come home. Equipment will need to be bought and expert nursing help and care teams put into place. Fortunately, families don't have to go through this process alone. There are many charities that can offer some advice and guidance, but expert and practical help can also come from an unexpected quarter. The legal firm selected to represent the family in their spinal injury compensation case. Lawyers who are experienced in serious injury compensation cases will have an expert knowledge and experience of what care, equipment and other items will be needed for assisted living during the course of a spinal injury victim's natural life. Once you have satisfied yourself that your prospective law firm has sufficient experience in dealing with serious injury compensation cases, you should also examine what services are offered by your solicitors to assist you in caring for a loved one with a spinal injury whilst your claim is settled. Interim awards for spinal injury can be sought from insurers to help your family with any immediate costs and modifications while the compensation case is being prepared and heard. At such a distressing time, it is essential that you choose solicitors that are able to give your family all the assistance you will need to be able to care for a loved one with a spinal injury at home. Taking the time to choose the right legal practice for your individual circumstances can improve the value of the compensation award achieved, which will help you to secure the best possible quality of life for your loved one and your family in the years ahead.